Dear students, today we solve more problems related to reduction formulae. In the last class, we studied the reduction formulae. Using those reduction formulae, we solve this kind of problems. Here we have to prove that sin 120 into cos 330 plus cos 240 into sin 330 is equal to 1. First one, sin 120. We can express sin 120 as sin 180 minus 60. Sin 180 minus theta is in the second quadrant, therefore the value is plus quantity. Sin 180 minus 6. Since the angle is 180, that is odd multiple of 90, sin becomes sin. Therefore sin 180 minus 60 is same as sin 60. Now the answer root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. This standard angle formula. Next, cos 330. (330) can be expressed as 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30 is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. And 360 is 4 into 90, even multiple of 90. Therefore, cos becomes cos. The right side of cos. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Next, cos 240. is same as 180 plus 60. 180 plus 60 is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is negative. Therefore, here we put a negative symbol. Then, since the angle is 180, cos is cos. Therefore, cos 60 answer. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore, here the answer is minus 1 by 2. Next is sin 330. Is same as 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30 is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sin is negative. Minus. Since the angle is 360, sin becomes sin. Sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Then substitute these four values in the left hand side of the expression. Replace sin 120 by root 3 by 2 into cos 330 is same as root 3 by 2 plus cos 240 is minus 1 by 2 into again minus 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4. 3 by 4. Minus minus plus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1. Is equal to right hand side. Second problem, prove that cos 210 into cos 150 plus sin 330 into sin 150 is equal to 1 by 2. (210) is same as 180 plus 30. (180 plus 30), third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cosine is negative. Since this angle is 180, cos is same as cos. Therefore, cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Here cos 150. 150 is same as 180 minus 30. And the quadrant is second. In the second quadrant, cosine is negative. Since the angle is 180, this angle is 180, answer is cos 30. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Next sin 330. The 330 is same as 360 minus 30, and the quadrant is fourth. In the fourth quadrant, the sign is negative. And since the angle is 360 degree, sine is sine. This answer is sine 30. Minus sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 150. 150 is same as 180 minus 30. Quadrant is second. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. And since this angle is 180, answer is sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Then substitute these four values in the left hand side. Minus root 3 by 2 into cos 150 minus root 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Minus root 3 into minus root 3 is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 after the simplification is equal to RHS. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 is equal to right hand side. Third problem. Show that sin 240 into cos 330 minus cos 120 into sin 210 is equal to minus 1. First sin 240. Is same as 180 plus 60. 180 plus 60 is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sine is negative. Since this angle is 180 degree, value of this quantity is sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. We can express the 330 as 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30 is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cosine is positive. Since this angle is 360 degree, answer of this question is cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. degree is same as 180 minus 60 degree. Therefore, the quadrant is second. In the second quadrant, cosine is negative. Since this angle is 180 degree, the answer is cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. $210 is same as 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30 is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sign is negative. Since this angle is 180 degree, answer sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Then substitute these four values in the left hand side. Minus root 3 into root 3 is minus 3 divided by 4. Minus 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 3 minus is minus 1 by 4. This minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 by 4 is equal to minus 1 right hand side. We can express the sin 240 as $420 is same as 360 plus 60. 360 is equivalent to 0. Therefore, sin 360 plus 60 is same as sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. $390 is same as 360 plus 60. Therefore, replace 390 by 360 plus 30. 390 by 360 plus 30. 360 is equivalent to 0. Therefore, answer is cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. We know that cos minus theta is same as cos theta. Therefore, cos minus 300 is same as cos 300. Is same as 360 minus 60. 360 minus 60 is in the fourth quadrant. Therefore, answer cosine is plus. Here the angle is 360 degree. Therefore, answer cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin minus theta. Sin minus theta is same as minus sin theta. Sin minus 330 is same as minus sin 330, and 330 can be expressed as 360 minus 30. This 360 minus 30 is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sign is negative. Already a negative here, minus, then sin 360 minus 30, minus. Since this angle is 360, the value is sin 30. Minus minus plus sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute in the left hand side. Sin 420 root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side. 225 is equal to 180 plus 45. Tan 180 plus 45. 180 plus 45 is in the third quadrant, therefore tan is positive. Here the angle is 180, therefore the answer is tan 45. We know that tan 45 is equal to 1. Three 405 is same as 360 plus 45. 360 is same as 0. Therefore, answer cot 45. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan 45 1. The reciprocal of 1 is also 1. Substitute in the left hand side. Tan 225 is equal to 1 into 405, 1 into 1 plus tan 65. Cot is the reciprocal of tan, therefore 1 by tan 675. These two quantities got cancelled. Therefore 1 into 1, 1 plus this value is 1 is equal to 2 is equal to RHS. Next problem, evaluate sin 300, tan 330, sec minus 420 divided by cot 135, cos 210, cosec 315. There are 6 quantities in this problem. Evaluate each one. Okay, then substitute. First sin 300. (300) is same as 360 minus 60, quadrant fourth, therefore sign is negative. Since this angle is 360, answer is sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. (330) is same as 360 minus 30. 360 minus 30 is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Here angle is 360, therefore answer is tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos minus theta is cos theta. Therefore, sec minus theta is also sec theta. Therefore, sec minus 420 is same as sec 420. 420 can be expressed as 420 is same as 360 plus 60. 360 is equivalent to 0. Therefore, sec 60. Sec 60 is same as 1 by cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. (135) is same as 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45 is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cot is negative. Here the angle is quoted. Answer cot 45. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Tan 45 is 1. Therefore, cot 45 is also 1. Minus cot 45 1. (210) is same as 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30 is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is negative. Sorry, cos is negative. Here cos, therefore negative. 180. This angle is 180. Therefore, answer is cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. $315 is same as 360 minus 45. Therefore, cosec 315 is equal to cosec 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45 is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cosec is negative. Minus. Since this angle is 360, answer is cosec 45. Cosec is the reciprocal of tan. Tan 45, cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore, cosec 45 is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Here minus root 2. Then substitute these 6 values in the expression. Substitute in the expression. Sine 300 minus root 3 by 2 into tan 330 minus 1 by root 3 into 2, say 420, divided by cot 135 minus 1 into minus root 3 by 2 minus root 2. Here root 3 got cancelled. 2 got cancelled. Minus minus plus. Plus 1 divided by, here 3 minus. 3 minus is minus. Minus root 3 into root 2 is root 6 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by root 6. This is the answer. Next problem, prove that sin A plus sin 120 plus A plus sin 240 plus A is equal to 0. Here sin 120 plus A is sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is same as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We already proved sin 120 and cos 120. Already solved those problems. Sin 120. Sin 120 is sin 180 minus 60, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 120 minus 1 by 2. Sin 240 plus A. Sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin 240 is minus root 3 by 2. Cos 240 minus 1 by 2. Substitute these two values in the left hand side of this expression. Sin A plus sin 120 plus A is root 3 by 2 cos A minus 1 by 2 sin A plus sin 240 plus A is minus root 3 by 2 cos A minus 1 by 2 sin A. This is root 3 by 2 cos A, this is minus root 3 by 2 cos A got cancelled. This is minus half, this is minus half sin A. Minus half sin A is full sin A, minus sin A. is equal to 0. This is the end of today's class.